we are going to play Press the Button. Don't press the button. Mistake. Sorry. So my cousin is already playing.
I'm scared. I'm gonna die.
What happened? Oh, I'm up here.
I died.
I cannot die. This is gonna be like the first time.
Oh yeah, and I'm just gonna put Nimsi.
I won! Oh
No
my
one
gosh!
cares.
Ow!
I'm gonna buy you a little ugly thing.
Oh my god, it's gonna rain money!
It is.
Yeah, just gotta
It's
go.
gonna rain money.
Where are you at? I can show you where it is. Here, come towards me.
Why are we going down?
Can't you see money go down?
You're doing that, Alex.
Money.
So right now, I'm gonna name my thing just like Nimsi. I'm gonna put a new channel name. I'm gonna put the button disappeared. Press the button if you find it. Okay, so we gotta try to find the button.
How much money?
I died! I'm going to space. Why do I keep dying? Have you found it?
Yeah.
Oh, I found it. Yay, I found the button.
So I'm gonna name my channel more different because
I'm leaving a money trail.
I'm savage.
Going for blue first because that's like the closest one I did. Please don't be blue. Oh! Daddy, go to blue fast.
You bastard.
Go to blue fast because then it won't go for twice. This dude's dumb. He went in green. Now go to red. Go to red. We're smart and we're actually going to the ones that. No, go to red. Ah, how?
rude.
Haha, I got you killed though.
Oh wait, it says great job on surviving. Do these kill you?
Hi, Doge. There's a Doge left! There's still a Doge left and I want it. Don't go. Don't go this way.
There you go.
No, Doge!
Quick, get to the hole.
I died! Ew, get off me, little brat.
So mine is not gonna be Nimsi plays Roblox. It's just gonna be Nimsi.
It's trash.
Ah! No, I'm gonna put Nimsi.
That's what it's gonna be, y'all.
Nimsi
She's
vlogs.
gonna put her name
I'm gonna
as
put
Nimsi's
Nimsi
trash.
vlog. I'm gonna put Nimsi vlogs and plays Roblox sometimes. Okay, so I'm gonna do that
I don't
soon.
believe her.
Yeah. Nimsi, be
Guys,
quiet.
she's lying. She doesn't even have a YouTube channel.
Yes, I do. Fine, don't subscribe to the cousins group. The cousins play Roblox. Because that's a very.
Oh! How? I literally touched it. Darn it.
Just one guy survived. He's like, oh my god! Do we need to go through there?
Yeah. Are you done? Are you done? You're not supposed to. Ah! You're supposed to try to avoid getting down.
I died. I'll be sick of you. Oh wait. Wait, what are you supposed to avoid?
Oh, trying to die in this game? I died anyway. You'll never get me. Oh,
What is
shit.
this?
Oh no, you gotta run, Daddy, run! You'll get a sword. And they're gonna try to kill you. I'm getting my sword. I don't want to die.
Hello. Are you gonna kill me?
They're not gonna kill me. But I can run.
You sure?
No! I'll give you money. Don't
Okay, give me the money.
Here.
Give me the money. Give me it. Give me the money now. Yum, yum, yum.
God!
Huh?
This is my doge.
Your doge? What do you mean your
This
doge?
is my doge. Nobody get on my doge. My doge. I'm gonna lose my doge. My doge. A doge.
A doge.
This is my doge. No one will touch it.
I touched it. I touched it.
Get off!
Ew, your voice is so crappy. Oh, I love this one. Well, sometimes I do. But sometimes I get stressed. And Abby! Obi!
No!
And out! My cousin just died, check!
No, he didn't.
You're a fish, Brad.
I almost fell. Oh. Okay. Oh no. No! I was Bambi! Come here. Come here. Bambi! Aw.
He needed to you.
What is this?
What'd it do? Stay away from the bobbies! The bobbies are way too scary! They're gonna kill you! The bobbies!
I got to go to the button! Got to go to the button.
Gosh darn it!
No,
Cake is alive!
no one cares.
Only if I could find a gravity coil.
Oh,
Gravity.
no!
No! Not this one! I literally almost died in this one. I literally almost died last time. I'm so bad!
I died.
No! I hate this dude!
He's so
I literally won last time, but then this dude made me die!
This one, block him. Just look at it.
Oh my god, I'm the highest!
No one cares. There you go. Oh, someone just died.
Oh, I found the person I was walking.
I don't care about your doge. Your doge is so pretty.
Cause your doge is trashy. That's
Doge.
why you like
Oh my goodness, I'm touching your doge. It's so trashy now. It's a doge. Doge is
That's
my
my
doge.
doge.
Mine.
It's
Mine.
mine! Get off!
Mine. It's mine.
Get off it!
Get off it. Get off.
No,
Get
don't
off.
let
Get
it
off.
fall!
What?
Don't fall. No!
Oh. What is this?
Tasmanian coming.
What is that? Can you need to get up?
Yeah!
I'm done. I already got up here.
I'm not.
Come on, Alex.
I did it!
We've been playing this for 10 minutes.
Now you haven't. You just started playing this.
I pressed it.
She pressed the button.
Oh no, the button.
She pressed the button.
Extinguisher, where is it?
She pressed the
Go,
button.
go, go, hurry up! Come! Hurry.
4, 3, 2.
Oh,
That was a close one. Dash, dash, dash.
oh no.
Oh no.
Get away! Get away! Get away! Ah! I just died, guys.
That's good. So now you can't kill me. Where's that girl? I'm blocking her.
Is it this girl?
Yeah.
I block her too. Like, go block this girl.
Farted.
We're on camera, Alex. Ah! I would rather just die for this.
No, no, I cannot die, I cannot die, I cannot die, I cannot die. No! Stop it! Stop it! No!
I'm sorry. Yes, he needs.
Damn it! Damn it! Tablet! Not working! It was trash.
Alex, move around.
Stay, I'm gonna go away. I'm going AFK.
Alex, I'm gonna join you.
Money, 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 money. What is this?
You guys like fishes?
I'm texting my friends.
Which ones?
My friends are Roblox.
Oh, you don't actually have friends because they're fake friends.
Ooh, that's a rose.
Look at
Well,
this.
that's a rose.
At least I'm not as fat as you.
Well, you're the pig and you're funny.
Well, but at least I'm not a dinosaur.
Also, you're the
Ooh.
pig in your butt cheek of your fat.
Come on, get up. Hello.
I'm so good at this one.
Did we ask?
Yeah, Alex, did we ask?
Y'all did because y'all are fishes.
You just died, Alex.
Trash.
No.
Particle shop.
What is this?
I'm so close.
No, make it. No, make it.
Drawing sport. Waxy Cola. Exit.
Take it. No, let me. Go, go, go. Take it. Take it. Take it. Hurry
I gotta
up.
take it.
Take it.
Let me score it.
Take it.
Only if we had a private try would be able to play. And actually would have been able to watch.
No one's curled.
Wow.
Lindsay,
You shut up, brat.
Yeah, Lindsay.
You're black.
Ready to flip your table. Wait, what? What does this mean?
You're gonna flip the table. I've just died. I don't care about you, bitch. Be quiet, you're a fat pig. Be quiet, you're a fat
Why do I have a tiny one?
I should have seen leg in my tablet.
Ooh.
You can say that, but you have a dynamic story too.
Be quiet. You have like a dinosaur.
Your belly's like as big as a house. Or better, a mansion.
Be quiet. You're that big.
Not even look with that. That's way too hard. Like, it's really weird.
Okay,
That's why I left.
so that's all.
Try to end that.
And we're gonna be vlogging. I'm gonna vlog for a tiny bit. Bye, guys.